welcome back to my channel. I am back again. How you guys feel about me dropping these videos? Okay, like how you feel about me dropping these videos? If you like the recent uploads, if you like me uploading 3 times a week, thumbs up this video for that. Comment down below, let me know how you feel about that. Okay, today we're gonna do something a little bit cuckoo, something crazy. I always take one for the team because I'm crazy. Okay, I'm cuckoo. Why am I doing this? But you know, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna be using the AZTEC mask on our face and on our hair. I just removed the twist out from my hair, so my hair is kind of dirty right now. If you haven't watched the video on how I dye my hair to this color without bleach, go watch that video. I will link that video down below. But this is what my hair looks like. It's kind of dirty a little bit, so I'm gonna use a mask just to like clean it out. A lot of people will add like oils to their mask, but I'm not gonna do that because I have a really good leave-in conditioner that I use, and I don't want to oversaturate my hair with too much oil, so I'm just gonna use the mask with my apple cider vinegar. This one is Mother. The reason why I'm using clay mask is because when your hair is dirty, when you mix the clay, because clay is considered dirt, when you apply it on your hair, all the dirt that's in your hair, all the extra oils that's in your hair is gonna create like a magnet, like it's gonna like stick to it and then it's gonna wash off. That's why this is really amazing for people like with natural hair. I advise if your hair is super dry, like my hair is not dry, but if your hair is like, if you have really dry hair, when you make this mask, please just put a little bit of, you know, olive oil or like coconut oil on your mask just so that your hair can sustain some of the nutrients that's already there. Some people, they will actually lose hair if they like strip all the nutrients out. So for me, my hair is not really dry, so I can go and do that. Excuse my messy table, but this is the bowl that I have like this. I'm gonna put like a little bit of, you know, mask on there. I just did my makeup yesterday, so my desk is a little bit messy, but you guys get the point. And tomorrow is cleaning day, so ooh, messy. Be careful. I'm just gonna put a little bit. I'm gonna use a lot because I'm actually using this on my hair and also my face. So like so. I think that's enough. Then you're gonna take this apple cider vinegar right here and just gonna put the same consistency just so that it can be like muddy. Oh, the smell. It smells really bad, by the way. A lot more. I think I put too much, but I don't think so. I think it's gonna be good. This is what the mask look like. Okay, first I'm gonna apply it on my face because I just want to get it out the way. Let me apply that. it's recommended you wait about 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm gonna wait. You can see the clays all over my hair. I'm gonna wait for like 20 to 30 minutes and then I'm gonna go wash it off. So as you can see, the mask is dried up. I can't even talk, like I can't even talk. What if my hair don't wash off properly and then it becomes dreads? Lord, I would just die. So this is my hair freshly out of the shower. Guys, my hair feels like butter. My hair, it just feels so, it feels amazing. It feels clean. Like, it smells good too. Like, oh my god, it's so soft. Like, it's so soft. I haven't styled it yet. Like, my hair is still wet. As you can see, my hands are wet. I have not done anything to it. As you can see, like, the natural curl pattern is just like amazing. I love it. I would definitely continue using this mask. It's bomb. My hair feels and looks great. I can't wait to style it for you guys. Oh my god, even my face, like, as you can see, my face, like, so smooth. Like, oh guys, my face so smooth. Look at my face, guys, like butter. Like, I feel like a baby's butt. It feels like, oh my gosh, it feels so great. I even feel like my face like brighten up a little bit. Like, you know, it looks like so energized. It looks like, you know, I just drank coffee. But yeah, I love it. My face and my hair feels and looks great. I really recommend that mask. I would definitely try it again. I'll definitely include it into my skincare routine and my hair care routine and definitely continue using it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking by and watching the whole video. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl or boy or man or woman. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Okay, I post I post so many videos a week. I post 3 videos a week, and you got to be part of that, because every time I post, I'm posting like a splat, like I'm giving a splat. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
Baby girl, you fine.